How to apply discount and coupons on Temu. Welcome and let's get right into this tutorial. To add your discounts and coupon on Temu, firstly make sure that you have the discount code or the coupon code that can be applicable and is valid to use. Temu also offers you discount and coupons from time and again, so make sure to use those in the time of available. Now to use your discount and coupons on Temu, firstly select an item of your Temu. If you already have selected, just check out the cart option. In here, select the item that you would like to purchase. Then, once you are done, at the bottom you should see the option of Checkout. Just click on the checkout bubble. Now starting off, you need to add your shipping address, payment methods and more. Now to apply the coupon, scroll down to the bottom until you find the option of Apply Coupon Code. Just click on it. Now in here, enter the coupon code that you have with yourself. Make sure to apply and enter it correctly. If the coupon code or the discount code is valid, you will receive substantial discount and additional benefit with it. And that is how you apply a discount code and coupons on Temu. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.